Hello there, welcome to the A-Level Maths Pure Paper 1 of June 2023. Here we're looking at question 7. The function f of x is defined by f of x equals 3 plus the square root of x minus 2. State the range of the function f of x. Well, if we were to draw out the function, then it's going to be a graph transformation from the square root of x. The square root of x would move right by 3 and then up. So right by 2 and up by 3. So the function looks like this. The point here. No, actually, it would be an empty point there because it can never equal 2. So if it was equal to 2, then it would start at 3. But in this case, it's just going to be a little bit above 3. So the function is f of x is greater than 3. Moving on to part B now. Find the inverse function. So let's set 3 plus the square root of x minus 2 equal to y, and now we're going to rearrange the function so that we get x as the subject. So we're going to take away 3 onto the other side, square both sides, and then add 2. So therefore the inverse function is x minus 3 squared. You replace the x with the y, plus 2. Excellent. So there we are. And the rate and the domain for this function is going to be x is greater than 3 because the domain and the range swap round when you go from a function to an inverse function. Okay, so there we are. Let's now move on to part C. It looks like I made a typo in this question here. So it's 3x, it's x minus 2. So the function g is defined as this function here. Find g f of x, so g f of 6. So you put 6 into the f function first. So 6 minus 2 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, 3 add 2 is 5. And then g of 5, that would be 15 over 2. 7.5 or 15 over 2. Find the exact value of the constant a for which f of a squared plus 2 is equal to g of a. So let's substitute a squared plus 2 into f, a into g, and then solve the equation. So it's going to be 3 plus the square root of a squared plus 2 minus 2 equals 15 over a minus 3. Well, the left-hand side simplifies quite nicely. It's going to become 3 plus a, because the plus and the minus 2 cancel. Square and the square root cancel. Then it's going to become 15 over a minus 3. We're going to multiply the denominator onto the other side. Expand the brackets. 3a plus a squared minus 3a minus 9 equals 15. We'll see that a 3a and an a cancel each other out. Move the 9 onto the other side and you get a squared equals 24. So therefore a is square root of 24 is 2 root 6 plus or minus 2 root 6. But given that in the f function we only have x values greater than 2, it's just going to be positive 2 root 6. And there we are, that's the answer for question 7 with a total of 8 marks. Let's now move on to question 8.